Hi YouTube. I'm really excited that people are starting to watch my show. So I'm gonna shout out to Jenny, shout out to Tom, and shout out to the Chris Rocks. I think the Chris Rocks, yeah. Shout out to y'all for like really taking your time to watch our show because we up and coming. Trying we trying to be like really funny, talk about teen stuff, like listen to what y'all gotta say and stuff like that. Like, and they'll box us whatever you think we should do, whatever you think we should talk about, and we will like try to get the time to talk about it because it's really nice. And yeah, it's really cool that that I'm really taking my time out to do web shows and stuff. Like, shout out to Erica and Danielle might give me some girl for making me do web shows. Because if it was never for her, I was never gonna start any web show because me and my friend Chanel, they call Cookie, they were saying that we were funny and we should make a web show, so we started it. So thanks all of that, and I hope y'all still watch my show because we like every week or every day we could to try to do web shows and stuff like that. Yeah. So thank you, thank you, thank you, Jenny, Tom, and the Chris Rocks. Y'all the three fans for now. So bye, and never forget the Black and Ghetto swag.